me see right now.
Y'all Ubered here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nah, I'm gonna lie, bro. I know that shit yours.
Yeah, don't you got one too?
Nah, but I want one, bro.
I thought you had a yellow one, no?
No, that shit rented, bro. I was trolling.
You need to get the yellow.
I want to get one so bad, bro. That's definitely my next car I want, though. Cool. Yeah, let me see it. Let me see it. Like, God.
It's good you ain't buy it yet, though, bro. Because, bro, they took a hit. Yeah.
Wait, what?
I was selling this car for like 4 months, and I had lost like 200,000.
No way.
For sure. I was like, man, just send me my car back. It was all white, and I wrapped it. It used to be all black.
Right. All white. This, you know what's funny? I got I got a GLE and it's this exact same color.
I had a GLE too.
Oh, you did?
Taste. Yeah,
damn, we got the same type of car.
Same car, yeah. I had the car too.
This shit is so crazy, bro.
Yeah, brown my favorite color.
So how much you buy this one for when you first bought it?
$650.
$650?
Yeah.
What is that like? It's like $450, right?
I can sell it for $450. Yeah.
That's still
for $200, like, and I make payments on it, so it's
I feel it, yeah.
Yeah, I lost over $200, bro. I was like, nah, bro, send me the car back. But I love it though, it's cool.
You still want to sell it?
It's just you
gonna keep it?
You can't drive it longer than like 20 minutes, 25. Especially you, bro. You too big for this car.
Oh, I'm not gonna lie. When I sat in there, I was
too big for this car.
I want the huh? No, not the truck. The other one. What's it called, Chad? The A12.
What is that?
The A12.
It's a Ferrari?
Yeah, Chad. Is that what it's called?
You get more leg room?
It's a little bit bigger, I think. It's a little bit bigger. Like
I be dying in this.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna fit in this car.
Wait, can we go in this one?
Yeah, let's hit it.
Maybe should I just take the camera then?
Yeah, take the camera.
Yeah, and I'll just go with you.
Let's do it.
Let's get into this shit, man. A12 fast as shit, yeah.
Yeah, I can take it.
Huh?
Or just get it from the outside.
Okay.
Get from the outside. Rolling shots.
Hold on. I'm gonna change the batteries real quick.
Yeah.
This car, bro. You got it right? Golly.
You can drive if you want to.
Nah. I can't rock. Shall we good? We back? Wait, can I even move this seat? I can't at all, right? That's it. That's it, right?
Under.
Oh, you go to the sunroof, he said.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, boy, you can't get this car, bro. You too tall.
I'm about to say, imagine my legs, bro.
You too tall.
Oh, Marlon fitting good.
Nah, I would say like ideal size for this car for SF90 is like no more than 6 feet, maybe 6'1" at most.
Damn.
Hey, so he's about to go on the sunroof.
Sunroof? Okay, cool.
Stay as close as you can to them.
Shay, y'all can see me?
Were you holding Stream in Streamer U or no?
Huh?
You hold Stream in Streamer U or no?
What you mean?
Like, do you hold camera or no?
Nah. Rock was there the whole time.
For real?
Hold on, let me put my seatbelt on.
I used to see those clips you held in New York.
Yeah. That's how I started,
That's
bro.
when I first seen you.
That's how I started, bro.
You was walking around the street.
I was just walking around.
Yeah. Anything you need, bro. Always.
Always, man.
All right, brother. Love, where you from?
Stop saying that,
Paris?
bro.
Yeah, I'm going to Paris soon.
All right, bro, have a good one.
Love. But the energy in Miami be different, bro. You don't get that in LA.
What, like that? What he just did?
Bro, you get that all day here, though.
Yeah.
It's so much love.
Damn, this shit's so nice, bro.
Yeah, nah, this mug's smooth. You know I like it? Because you can turn the engine off. Like,
so it does.
You ain't got to be loud.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
It doesn't have to be loud. You know what I'm saying? But I'm more of a family guy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a relationship, family type of guy.
Same, bro.
So it's like, I don't think this is a good date night car, so I wouldn't get it. You can't bring no kids. I don't have kids, but.
What? This the only car you got? Nah, you got another one, right?
I had the G-Wagon.
Yeah.
I just got rid of the G-Wagon and the Rolls.
Bro, Chad, look at this shit, man.
Oh, this a one-way. I'm wildin'.
Oh, this one way?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you drive like me, bro.
Yeah, I'm tripping. For sure, tripping hard. It's Miami, though. It's cool. No worries.
Leave the car, bro. Chill out, man.
Yeah, it's Miami. But yeah, nah, dang, what's the question you just asked me? Oh yeah, I had the G-Wagon.
Yeah, I'm about to say, yeah. You sold them?
Yeah, I got rid of both of them.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna do like a Cullinan or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a good daily car.
Follow us.
Yeah. So like if I had the Cullinan right now, we could pop out stream, have a driver, be in the back. Like you could do everything.
It's so different, yeah.
You could pop up still, you know.
Yeah.
A little aura.
Facts.
This one is like just like
yeah, that should really go quiet when you want to, like.
Quiet completely. And
I like Miami, bro. It is nice, to be fair.
Miami is a vibe, but it's never good when you visit, though.
Yeah.
It's never good when you visit, because it don't feel like home.
Yeah, that's the
But
thing.
like if you stay for 30 days, you chilling.
How long was you in LA for?
I was in LA for 2 years. I just had moved back though, like in January. Yeah, I was in LA for like the whole beginning of the year.
So why'd you
for
do
like
that?
4 or 5 months. I was gonna fight. Yeah, I was gonna fight for sure. I was training every day, bro.
Wait, so you did have a fight lined up?
I was gonna fight. I didn't have one lined up. I still could fight if we found the right person.
What was you gonna fight on? Like whose card?
I don't know. That's the thing. We were looking.
Dead ass?
Yeah, I was training 3 months.
You was that locked in for it?
Every day, like hour, 2 hours a day.
Oh shit!
Like, locked in for sure. And then my coach is out there. I moved out there because my coach is out there.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
So, yeah, that was gonna be my thing. But then, you know, I'm still down to do it. It's just got to be like the right person.
But there's got to be like someone you can fight. Gotta be.
Cause for me, W cameraman.
Be cameraman, man.
W cameraman.
You're on the roof right now. Look at him.
Anything for the shot.
Dead ass on the roof right now, man.
It looks real corny to just be fighting just anybody.
Yeah, I get it, bro. Like, it gotta make sense. I get that.
Yeah, like I
do
cringe.
get that, bro.
And I respect the sport. Like I really love boxing. So it got to a point where it's like I was just liking it so much.
Yeah.
Like I would want to fight somebody who can actually fight.
Yeah.
But low key, I feel like it's always dope to see like a creator tap into a sport heavy.
Yeah, that's why, like, this sounds crazy, but the whole World Cup shit in 4 years.
That'll be legendary.
I told my chat, just imagine if I did that. Like, imagine, bro. Like, that shit go down in history. Like, that's
that'll
like
be legendary if you did.
Imagine that whole story of like.
I think they would let you play though.
Dang, that shit would like.
Because your brand is clean. It's gonna be good for the World Cup. 100%.
That shit was so crazy. But then again, I'm like, you know how much time and effort I would have to, like, that would be, you know.
Yeah, you gotta lock in.
That's like
you have to lock in
fighting,
fully.
you know.
Yeah, you have to lock in fully.
Yeah.
Like you would have to be training like 2 hours a day.
Every day.
But it wouldn't be that hard though, because you already train. It's just the traveling.
Truly, yeah, truly, like, I could probably do both if I really locked in. It would definitely be hard work, you know what I mean? But
yeah.
Oh yeah, I feel that.
How did you like it when you rented it?
Bro, I loved it, bro.
You liked it?
Bro, mad nice.
The yellow looked good on you.
Yeah, look fire, huh?
For sure.
Fire. I kind of want to get one this year, but you know what I'm saying? We'll see when. Kind of want one for my birthday, low key.
You don't want a truck? You want a car?
Yeah,
because you're young. You're young.
Yeah.
Yeah, getting a truck is like some old junk.
But I like having a big car, like you said, like, it's nice. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So do you know Miami yet? Like,
nah,
you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm about to say
that's why my people are like, oh, he don't know where he going. They know I don't drive really like that.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, I don't be driving.
I get it, bro.
How about LA? Ain't no way you learn LA.
Oh, hell no.
LA too
Not
big.
even, bro. I still put the GPS in anywhere I go, like, you know.
Yeah, LA too big.
Yeah.
Are you far from Woodland Hills?
Nah, not at all.
Not at all?
Close by.
Woodland Hills is just too far out.
Yeah, but like you said, it's like, bro, everywhere. I mean, you gotta drive here too, but like, there's like so many dead spots in LA. But the thing is with me, I kind of, bro, I'm a homebody, bro. Like, I don't really step. You step out,
like being home?
You step out
no.
and stuff?
Nah, bro, I don't go out at all.
Yeah.
Hear you.
You got a girl?
I'm at the crib. Nah.
Nah.
I don't got a girl. I've been single since high school.
Girl?
I ain't had a girlfriend in 13 years.
Aim.
13. I've tried. You know, I've dated, but it never hit home for me. You got a girl?
Yeah, bro. Locked in, man.
You locked in?
Locked in, bro.
For real?
For real, bro.
How it feel?
Amazing.
Oh, really?
It has. But I will say, like,
It doesn't get in the way?
nah,
At all?
no. Bro, I just think, like, that's like this is like a topic I would love to, like, talk more about on Sunday and stuff like that when I talk about God and stuff. But I do feel like, for sure, if you don't find the right one,
Oh, your life will be screwed.
I do think it's a distraction. But I think if you find the right one, like, it's only supposed to push you.
It's gonna
You know what I'm
add.
saying? So it's like, but that's also hard to find, though. You know what I mean? Like,
It's very tough to find. You just
Yeah.
gotta choose them. I think the number one thing for me, well, one of the best things for me about finding a woman is the fact that it's checked off the list. You don't have to take up any
that's it.
room
That's
in
it,
your
bro.
brain.
That's it.
Oh, I
That's
gotta
it.
take this girl out to see if she could be
That's
the
it.
one. That's energy. You know what I'm saying?
But you're 30, right?
I'm 30. It's time.
So I'm like,
Brother, it's time.
you need a family and such. Like, you know what I'm saying?
It's time.
Like,
30.
so does that, be honest, does that stress you out? Like, a little bit in the back of your mind? Like,
It used to, but I feel like when it does, my faith is low.
I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Because, you know, a marriage or a relationship shouldn't be the highlight.
Yeah.
It shouldn't make me a better Christian.
Yeah.
I should already just be having God first.
For sure.
In general.
And that will come after that, bro.
Yeah. Because I feel like if I was in a relationship, I would be that much better of a Christian as well.
Oh, no, you would. Yeah.
100%. I feel like I would just be more locked in.
Yeah.
You know, it's in scripture. A man who finds a wife finds a good
Exactly.
thing. So it's like,
Exactly.
I would love to have a wife, but I think right now I'm called to just like have faith in God
I get it, bro.
and put it towards the back burner.
I get it.
Of course, I'm open towards it, but like, I feel like a lot of people just have too much
Yeah.
invested into finding their spouse
I get that.
because of an age.
Yeah. When do you want kids?
I would say like 35.
5?
Be an old dad. Yeah, I'm not
Good
in a
age.
hurry for kids.
Yeah.
I ain't ready. If I had my girl right now,
You
still
wouldn't
wouldn't.
have kids. Exactly, yeah.
Not
yeah.
even
Me
for
neither, bro.
2 years is dead. Like for you when?
Probably like,
So you like locked in with it, right?
bro, locked in, bro. But again, I wouldn't have kids right now.
Like
at
you
all.
proposed.
Yeah.
Oh, that was real.
Bro. Yeah. But no, I wouldn't have kids until like later years, bro, because,
Congrats on that.
thank you, bro.
That's big. How
Yeah,
you
bro.
felt?
Bro, crazy moment of my life, bro.
Really?
I like dead ass, bro.
Because you've been with her for a while.
Yeah.
That's like your chick.
Yeah. Like since day one, bro.
For real?
Day one,
What
bro.
age?
18, 19.
So she came from Sweden.
Sweden, bro.